falava everyone, Olo Uingoa o Tomasi Smith. I come from the beautiful villages of Matautu Whalealili, Ti'abea Aleipata, Vaiusu, Manono, and I am Tokelau all the way from Nukunonu. And welcome to Ngā Uri o Whiti my Moana Trust Samoan Group.
What was your first thought when you heard you were going to the Netherlands, or how did you feel?
I was shocked because I've never, so I did Whitireia, and part of Whitireia we go to other countries and perform for them and represent New Zealand, so that was a good thing. But then because of COVID we couldn't do that, and so when we found out about Netherlands I was excited and just like, oh well, like I'm actually gonna go somewhere and represent New Zealand and also represent Samoa. So yeah, it was just amazing. And then when Savvy, Big Boss, wanted me to do Siva Samoa and teach the Samoa bracket, I was nervous, but I was happy at the same time, knowing, well, like everything I do, like I always say, Siva Samoa to the world, like sharing Samoa with the world, like it's actually gonna happen very soon. So yeah, I was excited.
So would you say you're the lead for Samoa?
The lead? I'm the head tutor for Samoa. I wouldn't say the lead, but I overlook. I overlook to see if everything's okay looking. So yeah.
How did you come up with your bracket? Was there like a little storyline behind it?
If you know me, you know. Ooh, hello. If you know me, you know my Siva Samoa style is based off contemporary, but I still have the essence of the traditional Siva Samoa that you see back in the days. So because we're going to another country that has never seen Siva Samoa before, I wanted to go back to the roots. So I knew I wanted to do something traditional, and I know for a fact I didn't want any live music. I wanted any audio music, like played backing tracks and all of that. I wanted live music, singing, and like when you hear awhai peses, mu'us that perform at the Independence Days, it's just like heartwarming. So that's the feeling I want those people in Netherlands to feel. So I wanted to pay tribute to the North Sisters, who are like the founders of Ngā Uri, the trust. And so we start with the solo Laurau Siva, and then we're ending it with Whalealili. So. But in between, you get to see the traditional like pieces of Samoa. You will see in there like the ma'ulu, and then there's a Siva that is contemporized, and I also wanted to take that with me as well. So it's a bit of a mixture. There's no particular storyline, just I wanted the Netherlands people to feel the essence, the true essence of Siva Samoa, and how we tell our stories through the actions of our people. Yeah, trying to piece everything together, and also I don't teach bese. Like I can sing, I can keep a tune, but I didn't teach bese, so that was one of the most hardest things. But with the help of Savvy and Nate's lopa, it was so much easier, such a easy roller coaster for me. So all I had to just focus on was just putting everything together, make it flow well, and teach the Siva. So I think that was one of the hardest things, and finding the words to the songs, because I'm not very good.
What can the audience expect to see tonight, and is there anything you would like to say to them?
You're gonna expect a lot of beauty, a lot of big smiles, and beautiful singing from our lovely people. And just a big thank you to everyone who has supported us on this journey. It's been a huge roller coaster for us. No sleep, no eats, just pumping through our rehearsals so that we can make you proud in Netherlands. 685 baby, to the world. Bye, enjoy the show. Give us money if you have any. No, but all honestly, enjoy it, video it, because you won't be able to see it. But we hope we make you proud and take you with us spiritually to Netherlands so we can make you so proud. Peace out. Bye.